Hey everyone, how are you doing this wonderful Wednesday? Husband here. On today's Food Taste Test Wednesday, we're going to take a look at this fantastic new Hostess treat called Hostess Chocolate Covered Strawberry Cupcakes. Our guests here are making emails just in their Christmas finest. And now I'm going to show you guys the box up close. Okay, I guess they need some rest. But anyways, his box up close has Hostess logo on it. And it has chocolate covered strawberry cupcakes on it. And it's limited edition. And it has 8 cakes inside. And here's the survey date right here. And on the back of the package is the nutrition facts. This is 7 size 1 cake, 8 servings per container. And the total fat is 6 grams of fats. And, all the other nutrition stuff. Now I'm going to take them out of the package. I guess I'm not showing my face because I already didn't get on test review on my face this week though. But here is the cupcake. It's really nice. And now I'm gonna first they need to wake up. So they can have some. Here's the cupcake. And now I got one other food taste test review for Christmas. This is the Red Velvet Christmas tree cakes, because I already seen anything new this year to try out. Now here's the cupcake right here. The frosting is unfortunately hard. This typical Hostess needs to do better than that. And now I'm going to take a bite of it. It's very nice. What's this? And here is the cutie inside. This light mouth filling. There is the frosting on the outside that's softer than it is, but I like it. And take another bite. It's definitely good. If this is aside the frosting on top, I do recommend this sweet tea for the holidays. And this is the Hostess chocolate covered strawberry cupcakes. I got mine at Walmart. Hopefully you can use some there as well for another place where they sell Hostess items. Thank you guys for watching this special taste test review with me for the holidays. Don't forget, next week I'm gonna have one more taste test review for Christmas. This is the Debbie Christmas tree red velvet cakes. I'm sure that'll be delicious as I've never had them before. I'm trying with you guys. To see it, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this review video, please like, comment, subscribe. As always, I got more to say to you guys. Peace, love, and stay outrageous. Bye for now.